Hi guys, this is Abby, and for today's episode, this is a special episode because we have a two-part episode, and sa first part, we will be discussing kung ano nga ba ang Mendeley. So if you wanna learn more, keep on watching. So dito sa part 1, you'll learn in this video kung ano nga ba yung Mendeley, how to use it, how to download, and how to create an account. Paano siya ilagay sa MS Word, and more. So let's start. So let us define Mendeley. What is Mendeley? Mendeley, according to Wikipedia, is a company based in London, UK, which provides products and services for academic researchers. It is most known for its reference manager, which is used to manage and share research papers and generate bibliographies for scholarly articles. How to use Mendeley. The content of this video will have me discussing about how to download, install, and create a Mendeley account. Add Mendeley in MS Word as a plugin, download published article, cite the downloaded article in your paper, make a reference list or bibliography, and editing details of the article. I already have a Mendeley account, so I'll just walk you through on how to download, install, and make an account in Mendeley. First, let's search for its website. As you can see, you should choose according to your operating system. For me, I have Windows. On the upper right, this is where you should create your account. Fill in accordingly the informations needed. And if you're done, press continue. On the other hand, if you have an account, continue with sign in. As what I've said earlier, I already have an account, so let's go straight to Mendeley. This would be Mendeley. I already added some articles due to our previous activities, but I'll teach you on how to add more articles. Select the Add button on the upper left and then locate the journals, articles, files that you need to add on your Mendeley. Now, I'll teach you on how to plug in MS Word and Mendeley. The Mendeley is not yet installed in the MS Word, so for us to connect the two, let's open Mendeley and then select on the upper left, Tools, and you'll see Install MS Word Plugin. Now, if you go back to MS Word, you'll see that Mendeley is already installed. As you can see, I already have my paper, so let's try to change the style of citation. Now, I'll teach you on how to insert citation. Select Insert Citation, and then go to Mendeley, select your chosen article, and you'll see on the upper part of Mendeley, there is a Cite button. Select Cite. When you go to MS Word, you'll see that it has automatically cited your article. Now for references. Select Insert Bibliography and it will automatically state all the references of your research. When editing the details of your article, go to Mendeley and edit as you please on the right side of Mendeley. You'll see that it has changed the information of your chosen article. If you want to learn how to download published articles for free, go to Mr. Edwinus Prime on YouTube, and I'll link it on the description below. This would be the advantages of Mendeley. Number 1. Create and manage citations of books, articles, videos, and more. Number 2. Import citations from many databases. Number 3. Extract metadata from imported PDFs. 4. Collaborate with other researchers online. 5. Find relevant papers based on what you're reading. Lastly, 6. Highlight and annotate papers and share those notes with others. So that will be also part 1, and if you wanna learn how to add your lost Mendeley sa MS Word, watch part 2 and I will link it down below. And thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also ring the notification bell below. See you next time. Bye-bye.